Welcome back, BMF Speed Shop. I'm out here with Ruby, my '89 Subaru GL Wagon, the 5-speed manual with the high and low dual range transfer case, 4-wheel drive. I got it all set up to go do some events and stuff. I haven't made a video really since I got the car, so I've had it for over a year now. I have did a little bit of work. I don't know if I talked about it in the first video when I first got it. Doing some sensors and just injector seal and tuning up on the engine, because it just had it struggles a little bit when it cold starts. And it was a little difficult finding parts for this car because this was the first year of the fuel injection for these cars. But I did track down a bunch of stuff on Rock Auto. I got floor mats, which is kind of neat. Those are out of a 2019 Outback. And they fit in there, these are the all-weather mats. They fit in there absolutely perfect. So that's pretty cool. And then I got these heated seat covers, the plaid, because I just think it looks nice. Got the sweet Bucky Lasik stickers on there. I met Bucky at the Subaru Fest. A big shout out to him, dude. He's a huge ambassador of the brand and everything he's doing with Subaru is super cool. Him and also Travis Pastrana and the wagon that they got put together. But I'll take you guys for a little ride. I kind of made my own little track here, and I got her locked in 4-wheel drive and 4-low actually, so you guys can get the little feel. It's pretty simple. This thing is like an on-the-go 4-wheel drive system, so you just slap her up into 4-low or 4-high whenever you want, and she locks right in. And this thing's just crawls here. Look at this. Got her at 1,000 RPM, and it'll just crawl, no gear. Tells you it's engaged with that little thing on the dash there, which is kind of neat. And I got my little track here, just try not to get any salt on my cars in the wintertime, so I make this little track here and I cruise around my yard. And then I wish I had a bigger yard. I'd make a bigger track. And just to keep the oil and everything lubed up, so they don't, and the batteries charged and all that stuff, so that you don't get a dead battery or whatever. And then, I run both these cars around here, That's pretty cool how this little car just goes. I don't even have snow tires or anything on here. But I thought I'd give you guys a little cockpit view and update on the car. I want to get some really gnarly meaty tires for this thing ASAP, and I'm gonna do a lift kit on it. I put it up, tried to save it before I ruined it, but no one wants it, so I'm gonna turn it into an overlanding rig. So stay tuned, and if you're into Subarus and lift kits and overlanding rigs, have a good one.